Uba daman bait lamari MLA ko umroy ulalong ukongsan ban play ka science exhibition balapelong de ki khana school jongka Lords Academy Secondary School Umsawriang hakash pautrik unaiwi ban penchluri ki khana ban thwet ki phangjing start da kabashna hi da lagi kti ki tiar kitar katkum ka jingmut dor jongki halagi jingmut jing perkhat kaphang pedeng jongani ki exhibition kalong ka jing thaulat kalong ushabi kalawe. Innovation is the key to the future. The Pediang Burom Yuba Daman Bait Lamari, the Principal Reverend Padar Francis C. Kino hikai but kikana jumani ka school. Kikimi kikpa but kikana niki school bamarjan kilay don lang hagani ka sngi. Lingba gani ka exhibition, kikana nagani ka school kilapin iperthay ki butjing start but jing shampang hagi babon kiliang. Lingba gani ka exhibition, kikana jumani ka school kilapin ki sap bani kun ki jing bagi kendo haga jing jongki. Uba daman bait lamari ha kajing keren play jong kani kasngi ula kentui gi khana school ban minot bat ban treshitam gi jing puli jongki ula ongru ban long ki bako ngo ikle kinong kai ki kimi ki pa bat kinong pania jong ka school ula ro kinong pania bi kinong kai gi bla ailat gi khana ban pen i perthai la ki sap ki phong ula kit bok ki ka school gi kinong kai bat ki khana school be kinang yai kiu irat habaro ki jing tre jongki
komen hakini gisni tiyo ki bladem Isar bat imis kiawan ada ke phone call ilayo hero banyak kendo banyak keren bentar bikin code ban invite dengan bentar ke program kapelong bentar ke sini ke science exhibition jong ke school ke bentar ada berjung dokumen bat hulu kadai ke sen ke penengkong ngayu kejat apa jong ke school Lords Academy Secondary School. Hoi habaya lenti lapon sen ngai ya kani ke school ke building ke pulau. Ke lenti Shillong ya chenong lu ke NEHU ni ya chitis pom Umsawriang ro kani lenti ngasak kani ke school. Tangam pa joyo lar ban wan ko kini ke program nene ngam pa yo lar ban wan ban pet nene ban ya ai por lang bat kani ke school bat ki kena kani ke school. Na tipok tirweng bagani ke Lords Academy Secondary School kanang la so pan pumi yaki kena ki bastat ba ki kena ki papas ki kena ki ban sapas ki ban select na school ro Pynlong ki kena ki long ki kena ki pami haki rong ki paparnai ki paper hoy la ngambon ki kenten ban keren tangkawai ngakwa kendit ngakwa ban keren ni kini kena school ke panang jrong ke lenti ban yai kumbala ai tu kena itu kucing ruai hoi purabi kime ki kapa kata gade sisa da purabi kime ki kapa tumya ke jing kerku lalo ke jing ke jong pi da purabi kime ki kapa ke jong pi kilongri kinong sumare pi na do pinang red na do pimam sedang menyoi ke partai kita ki kime ki kapa kilongri kinong sumare pi Halo bapinda hai, but away ro, mentah kajuk, partai pemerintah bapon kini kena, kimnang rapan buram, yala ki nong hikai ki jongki, lene ki teachers ki jongki, manau yepi kena, kini kena school ki baik, dapim nang ban buram ki nong hikai ki jongki, kadai ki jingdo nong ki jongki. Namar ki I pemerintah ki bon ki kena, kisau tenat ban sian dene ban kai dene ban bain ban khoi kino kai dene ban burom re ban misbehave dene ban discipline kino kai kata ga de jingdo long ko jong phi da burom ki pina la so ban yo ga jina ji start baka kham yar so da pin nang ban burom kino kai jong phi kan de ga jingdo long ko jong phi bat tang kat to kan ni pin la ban pule pinam yo so re ga jing pule ka bapaka da kan mau bhai ka ne namar ngaro kawai ki por ngasih long kumpi ngana soto ina dei langim dang ban burom bikinong hikai ka de jindo nong ba ka jong hi ka jong ngabat ka jong pi da ga ka por hoj na tharai ba menta ka de science exhibition day tharai ki khna jong ni school lo ki la pan khre yaki ba pher tharai kita ki jingpin I ka jong ki apa ka science exhibition Langit tera kadon sejurang momis baru ingin selek pecibet kan long kepi tenat. Bahasa sistem akwa ban penrapian kumbala keren dari father mene bato ingin sedang ban perkiu le ban pek ban perkiu le ban pek kenja kalong ku kenja skill kumba yatho father mane hapo karohil kadon gowe go oto kepala abon kepala bo sharot lami klau utawe khuna ubrap out ubam pas bharat ay class 3 class 4 ulala ban sna ya ka helicopter da go oto kata ga de jing start ka jing nam donu te wala tare mre bangai mersi me piba utaw khuna umpule lama menta kubadui menta kiswi de job menta klem do pule tang uspe pa no khoi ya ki toilet ni thau sumro umyo trele nei u driver ro klem da qualification gano umyo araban thapji tre no ro te pule ba tresitam gano kam pule khnang ba we ne go kisni dunia ban khe mu so pathiang aga jing im ka jong pi ting kan ot ki su ka ksin tong ki su ka doi talawa ting kan ot ki su ka ksin tong ki su ka doi talawa Kiriam ki bai wo cha tara yu sing yu spong wo ka pali yi wa yo chong kun yo chong kya se tra per thai wo te me ki
It looks like we developed a 3D image after programming or program. Facilitator lecture also in 1998 as well as all down the class.
This is what you said? This is also the same, huh?
Yes. And I'm from standard 10. Today, our model is a hologram. A hologram is a technique that enables us to create a 3D picture or image of anything we want, which also helps us to study cases. So here we are using our phone, in which we are playing a hologram.
It has shown that the canal water should be purified and treated as well as flow to the river. After some
soil and more water, and it also depends on the soil as well as the in this
holographic video. Technique that enables us to create a 3D image or picture of anything we want, which also helps us with study cases. Here we are using our phone, in which we are playing a holographic video. And when this video gets reflected on this plastic sheet, it looks like or develops a 3D image known as holographic or hologram. 1948. That's all. Would you like to ask any question?
video have triggers, an alarm or a leg to access.
Judith Khar and Sister Rhoda, Sister Rosina School, Principal from Federal Higher Secondary School, Sister Cherry Higher Secondary School, Sir T.P. Kumar, Principal and Ma'am Joy Moore, Principal of Infant School. We would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the CRC employees.
Window or surface driven by the solar energy. They involve evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. The rest will be explained by my friend.